Torres, and in this opportunity, I want to talk about recording about reading. So let's start. Emotions are states or feelings that they often intense and last for only a short time, are clearly, directly, or caused by some want or some circumstance. Positive emotions include your your relief and mm, captain. We must fear positiveness and do it fear do always trained to be positive and to shift negative emotions include anger, anxiety, fear, guilt, shame, sadness, and, and disgust. The other minimal pairs. Two minimal pairs. Cat, bat. White, whiz. Right, road. Quiet, night. Take, steak. Couch, cut. Pin, bin. Till, pill. Teach, pitch. Day, pay. Dig, pig. Deal, pill. Dog, book. Date, bait. Tall, call. Tool, cool. Tape, cape. Toad, coat. Tom, gone. Tie, guy. Tap, gap. Tool, good. Tie, gag. Table, gable. Chin, fiend. Tail, fail. Tongue, fun. Thick, big. Third, intonation. Statements with one stress. She works. We loaded. It stopped. Statement with two stresses. Tom is reading. Mike is sleeping. The car stopped. The weather has changed. Statement with three stresses. Children like to play. The boy is reading a book. The weather is going to change. Statement with four stresses. She wants to buy a new car. He wrote the letters very quickly. The teacher told her student a story. Statement with five stresses. Alice wrote the letters very quickly. Victor is going to London next month. Tanya is reading the book you brought yesterday. Special questions. Feeling intonation. What is your name? What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? Friendly intones, politeness, rising intonations. What is your name? Where do you live? What did she say? Where have you been? General question, rising intonation. Have you read this book? Have you read the news? Do you Need some help? Do you have a pen? Rescues rising intonations. May I speak to Ada, please? Could I speak to Michael, please? Can I borrow your dictionary, please? Alternative questions, rising and feeling intonation. Will you come back at 5 or at 6? Does you read books in the morning or at night? Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? Tag questions, feeling or rising intonation. You don't know them, do you? They haven't found it, have they? You were late? Were you? You shouldn't. Don't do it. You surely. Command, feeling intonation. Tell me the truth. Give me your hand. Do it yourself. Ask him for help. Request rising intonations. Close the window, please. Tell me your name, please. Ask him to call me, please. Exclamatory sentence, feeling intonation. It's good to see you. It's an excellent opportunity. I'm so happy. Direct address, rising intonation. Hey, can you help me? Lena, are you there? Tony, where are you? Enumerating rising intonation. I bought bread, cheese, and tomatoes. We need paper, pens, and pencils. Response. I can, she is, he will, you should, I can't, he didn't. Uh, that's all today. Thanks.